all types of payment-related transaction enter in which voucher? A. Receipt voucher. B. Sales voucher. C. Payment voucher. D. Purchase voucher. The right answer is C. Payment voucher. The term GST replaced which older tax? A. VAT. B. Income tax. C. Excise. D. Sales tax. The right answer is A. VAT. Debit note is used for A. Purchase return. B. Sales. C. Income. D. GST payment. The right answer is A. Purchase return. What is the full form of SGST? A. State Goods and Services Tax. B. Standard Goods and Services Tax. C. Single Goods and Services Tax. D. Special Goods and Services Tax. The right answer is A. State Goods and Services Tax. What is the undergroup of loss due to rain? A. Indirect income. B. Sales. C. Indirect expense. D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Indirect expense. To edit ledger press. A. Control plus Enter. B. Alt plus Enter. C. Control plus Shift. D. Control plus Alt. The right answer is A. Control plus Enter. Cash flow statement in Tally is under A. Display greater cash flow. B. Gateway of Tally. C. Accounting info. D. Inventory info. The right answer is A. Display greater cash flow. Salary paid under group is A. Indirect expense. B. Indirect income. C. Direct expense. D. Direct income. The right answer is A. Indirect expense. Which shortcut key used to change current period in Tally? A. F2. B. Alt plus F2. C. Alt plus F1. D. F1. The right answer is B. Alt plus F2. Goods of 38,000 rupees were damaged by fire. This transaction passed to in which voucher? A. Journal voucher. B. Payment voucher. C. Receipt voucher. D. Sales voucher. The right answer is A. Journal voucher. How many digits does a GSTIN have? A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18. The right answer is C. 15. Open a bank account 1,000 rupees. This transaction passed to which voucher? A. Payment voucher. B. Journal voucher. C. Contra voucher. D. Sales voucher. The right answer is C. Contra voucher. Tally vault is used for A. Backup. B. Security. C. Printing. D. Reporting. The right answer is B. Security. In Tally, where can you set the financial year? A. Create company. B. Alter company. C. Voucher entry. D. Ledger entry. The right answer is A. Create company. Payment voucher shortcut key. A. F4. B. F5. C. F6. D. F7. The right answer is B. F5. All expenses and losses are always having A. Accredited. B. Debited. C. Exact difference balance. D. Balance entered in voucher. The right answer is A. Credited. Which shortcut key used to set no in use common ledger account for item allocation? A. F11. B. F12. C. F2. D. F3. The right answer is B. F12. All service calculate taxes. A. VAT. B. TDS. C. TCS. D. Service tax. The right answer is D. Service tax. Where is show working capital? A. Balance sheet. B. Profit and loss. C. Stock summary. D. Ratio analysis. The right answer is D. Ratio analysis. Purchase voucher shortcut key. A. F9. B. F8. C. F7. D. F6. The right answer is A. F9. GSTR 2A is A. Sales return report. B. Purchase auto report. C. Sales summary. D. Cash book. The right answer is B. Purchase auto report. Depreciation is always A. Debit. B. Credit. C. Assets. D. Income. The right answer is A. Debit. What is a person who gives for a company called? A. Supplier. B. Sundry debtor. C. Sundry creditor. D. Sundry customer. The right answer is B. Sundry debtor. Which key is used to go next level details of entry? A. Enter. B. Shift plus enter. C. Control. D. Page down. The right answer is A. Enter. What is the shortcut for receipt voucher? A. F5. B. F6. C. F7. D. F8. The right answer is B. F6.